Beginning with a noun, a small insect that lives in groups.
Ant.
Beginning with B, a noun, a place where you can buy books.
Bookshop.
Beginning with C, an adjective similar to intelligent.
Clever.
Beginning with D, a verb, the negative of he goes.
He doesn't.
Beginning with E, a noun, a big grey animal with a trunk.
Elephant.
Beginning with F, a noun, hair that hangs over the forehead.
Fringe.
And beginning with G, a noun, a school subject where you study the countries, the cities.
Geography.
Beginning with H, a noun, exercises for school that you have to do at home.
Homework.
Beginning with I, a verb, the verb to be. I am, you are, she.
Is.
Beginning with J, a verb, move like a frog or a rabbit.
Jump.
Beginning with K, a noun, a room in the house where you cook.
Kitchen.
Beginning with L, it's a noun, a small green reptile that likes the sun.
Lizard.
Beginning with M, a noun, an insect smaller than a fly and everyone hates them.
Mosquito.
Beginning with N, it's a noun, your brother or sister's son is your...
Nephew.
Beginning with O, it's a noun, a big bird with big feathers. It can't fly, but it can run very fast.
Ostrich.
Beginning with P, it's a noun, a hairstyle, if you put all your hair up with a bobble.
Ponytail.
Beginning with Q, she wears a crown and lives in a palace.
Queen.
Beginning with R, it's a noun, there are 4 in Girona.
River.
Beginning with S, noun, family. I am your mother, you are my...
Son.
Beginning with T, an adjective, the opposite of the shortest.
Tallest.
Beginning with U, an adjective, the opposite of beautiful.
Ugly.
Beginning with V, an adverb, better than good. For example, good.
Berry.
Beginning with W, a noun, a place where you keep your clothes.
Wardrobe.
Beginning with X, a noun, percussion, a musical instrument.
Xylophone.
Beginning with Y, an adjective, the opposite of old.
Young.
Beginning with Z, a noun, you can see wild animals there. There's one in Barcelona.
Soup.